What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to Best Family TV. Today we're having
baked chicken, corn, and beans. Baked beans.
Thank you. We're gonna say grace and get started.
Most heavenly grateful Father, we come to you giving you all the glory, honor, and praise. Thank you for another day, another opportunity to sit down and share this meal as a family. May you use this meal to nourish our bodies. In Jesus Christ's name we pray, amen.
Amen.
I bet you ain't nobody got no topic.
We can come up with some, a lot of it.
So I need to check Twitter real quick.
No, we can come up with it. You can look while we're talking.
Topic,
But there's a lot to talk about.
We can talk about Trump.
No quiet time.
No, we don't want to talk
I
about
don't talk
him.
about him.
We can talk
I want to
about,
talk about what's going on though.
We can talk about all this stuff going on.
I didn't read into none of it.
We can talk about the war that's coming. We can talk about the Chinese.
Hey, you put any salt in here?
What?
I can tell.
Let me put something on. What else?
No pepper. No butter.
Oh, I'm like, what you doing? You didn't say nothing. Y'all don't communicate for nothing.
What
don't
you thought
say
was
nothing.
eat? You thought I was gonna take your plate?
Yeah, y'all don't say nothing.
No, we're just trying to make sure you
That's
get
enough?
everything.
Thank you. Yeah, that's good. I'm just saying, I don't say nothing. Y'all just be doing stuff. I'm like, what you doing?
I got some of yours.
You got the right one.
No, I'm just pulling my plate back.
A little bit more.
You gonna get it?
Trending. Nothing I would know about.
The thing about it is, they saying because he killed his sister, that wasn't a racial thing. Like he might didn't like his sister.
Tell me your thoughts on the shooting situation in Chicago.
Okay.
You know there was some shooting in Chicago.
Oh yeah,
They
that was
talk
at a block party or some park or something.
They didn't even talk about that much.
Well, Chicago bugging out anyway. Chicago is the murder capital for black people. I mean, it's pathetic how they killing each other. But when you don't have jobs and the poverty line is below the Mendoza line.
The who line?
How you say it? Mendoza? Yeah.
Mendoza.
Mm-hmm.
No, that's a person's name, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. It's a line too.
You thinking about Mandela?
No.
That's what she thinking about.
Oh yeah.
But what is Mendoza?
Everything, when it comes to poor people, it's a line where it says poor, and then there's people under that line, like most foreign countries, they're under the Mendoza line. There's no program for the kids, so the gangs controlling everything, and the cops, their hands are tied because most of them are white cops that don't live in the neighborhood. So if they kill somebody, then it's racism, and they're not gonna die. You know, they saying, well, this job ain't paying me no money, so why I'm gonna get killed for this, for these people killing each other? I got a family to take care of. And they say the mayor and the government is compromised, so they said
all those people
they said
gonna end up coming to the South.
They said just in this half a year, it's like over 2,000 people. No, it's over 600 people.
It's already been killed.
It's pathetic, man.
Terrorism.
And they're saying it ain't just the gang members killing each other because, you know, black people, excuse me, I'm sorry, people want to be people want to be cool when they shoot. They're not shooting at, walking up and shooting at the person. They turn the gun sideways. They drive and just shooting. And the person they aim at, 9 times out of 10, he ain't the one getting hit. It's that kid that's laying in the crib or playing on the floor, that mother that's cooking. But they say Chicago is off the chain. Chicago, Baltimore, Washington, Camden, Philly. It's just ridiculous how these people killing each other.
I don't hear much about Philly.
We down here.
Just ban the guns at this point.
That's what they should do. And my thing, they don't want to
evaluation before they get one.
They don't want to ban assault rifles, but like this guy was saying, what do you need an assault rifle for? Only people need an assault rifle is the military and the police, law enforcement. You got these people. That guy in Ohio, they said he was spitting out because he had a special magazine. So he was spitting out like 3 rounds per pull. So he spit out, it was a crazy number that he killed with that gun. I'm like, man, these people, you can't even go into Walmart.
It's the white folks.
But they said just watch your surroundings.
It don't matter.
Doing school shootings, white folks.
You can watch your surroundings and still not know what's going to happen.
Well,
and what she did.
Because at the last minute,
You talking about don't go nowhere when y'all go out of town because something that happened in town.
At no Walmart. You get your stuff done before.
It's in Florida. Florida always got something going on.
You know when somebody, you can know when somebody's sticking out.
And she don't understand how fast I walk when I'm in there.
You just gotta be.
But it don't matter.
You just gotta watch your surroundings. That's
I do that anyway. I don't understand why.
You know when people out of place.
Yeah. I watch
he
everything.
came in.
Okay,
He wasn't already
but babe,
there.
he had an assault rifle.
When he came in the store.
Okay, that's nothing
And
small.
nobody saw that.
Everybody
didn't
didn't
hide.
Exactly. How you don't?
You know what? Everybody didn't see it because they were paying attention to what they were trying to do.
Okay, that's why I'm saying watch your surroundings.
I gotta go to Walmart. I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'm sorry.
Plus,
I'm just pray about it.
it's no matter where you at. If this your time, it's your time.
At this point, to be honest, these little kids can't even go to school no more.
You put that green stuff on his
5-year-olds.
shoes.
No, I didn't. I didn't.
You put something in it.
Then I put
I'm
on
going to tell you exactly what it is.
my jerk season.
It's like a sage or something.
I told y'all about that boy when I was in high school. Everybody was scared of him, but he was black. We thought he was gonna do something. Everybody was making up plans. It was like, if y'all see him reaching his book bag, y'all run for the door, do something. You wasn't in the class with him.
I don't know, but I'm just saying.
You was not in the class with this boy.
We had one.
You didn't see the stuff he would do.
Well, he might be crazy. I mean, he might be off, but he's not gonna kill.
You didn't see the stuff he would do.
What would he do?
There was this time, I think it was in like 11th grade, I want to say.
Mm-hmm.
We was all about to leave and everybody was lined up at the door.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody just so happened to look at him and he's standing up and he like cut his neck, imaginary cut his throat in. I'm like, who does that?
Somebody.
That was like, did y'all see that?
But
I said, it's time to go.
He was doing that to somebody.
No, he was just standing there and he did it.
because he's off. Or y'all don't know what he might have been getting abused at home.
They need to put him in other classes then, not in a regular class.
You don't know.
Because the teacher was acting like they didn't see none of that.
Well, that was up to parent. Cause if I'm your parent and you come to me and say, Dad, he got to go. Oh no, he got to get the hell out
I
of there.
think I told you about it too when it happened. I was like,
But they needed to check his home.
They need to do something.
You ever hear about him anymore?
I saw him walking by the library one day, like 2-3 years ago. That was it.
Do he look still the same? Like he's crazy?
He didn't look crazy. It was just like he didn't talk to nobody. But they claimed that he got in a car accident or something, and he just didn't talk to nobody after that, and started doing all that stuff.
That? I mean, it could have been a lot of things. People could have been bullying him.
They said after that car accident, it changed him. Like he just started acting like that. It was just one time he was walking to class, and he was acting like he was banging his head on the lockers, and then he just kept on walking like nothing happened.
Did he bang his head?
I didn't see him, but I heard it.
You heard it?
I heard it,
No.
and everybody said they saw it. I don't know. You know, I'm sure I didn't see it.
Right.
Yeah, but I heard it. I saw him go over there. I don't know. I was scared of him.
In school, white people used to do that. Just go to the lock and just bang their head. I'm like, y'all people crazy as hell.
He was the one I was worried about. I wasn't worried about no white kids. We barely had any.
No.
I was like, they keep putting him in regular classes. They need to check him. Because he doing all this stuff and the teacher acting like they don't see it.
Teacher saying, hey, first man to the door. And I'm the closest.
Moves on the opposite side. I tell you, I'm jumping over this. Whoever in the way, you get knocked down in the process. I ain't trying to be funny. I was honestly scared of that boy.
Back in our day, we didn't have nothing like that. Nothing like that. We wasn't even worried about nothing like that.
The only thing that went on at our school, not even in high school, was when we was in New Jersey, was the students used to come down from Shabazz and beat up the principal. She was a female.
Oh, yeah, you said that.
She used to wear a lot of makeup.
The men used to beat all the girls.
The students.
I'm talking about
It
girls.
didn't matter.
For real? They just came and beat up.
Beat up.
And nobody said nothing? Cops or nothing?
They ain't had no cops. We didn't have no cops in school. We had security, you know, like.
Right. They ain't do nothing?
This was after school. They wait until after school to come get them.
Yeah, but the security guard was the last to leave. Wow. Every day?
Not every day.
And she kept getting her ass whooping? I would have left.
I remember the teacher in 10th grade, my chemistry teacher. He tried to break up a fight with these two girls, and nobody saw him after that because he got hit in the face. Girl wig was on the floor, his glasses flew. They flew somewhere. I don't know where they was at. And like, you know good and well, you shouldn't be trying to break up no fight with no two black girls.
It don't even matter.
My wrestling coach, he would try to break up.
No fight.
He tried to break up a fight, and the guy hit him. Man, he tore his ass. He tore him up.
I'm like, come
Muscle
on, now
man.
you do better.
He was a little short Italian dude.
Y'all remember Mr. Collop if y'all went to Shiloh? And we ain't seen him since.
I mean, this guy, he beat his tail.
We had like 3 different teachers that year. He knew better.
That's good.
And they were beefing over something on Twitter.
It was Twitter back then?
Yeah, this was like... Twitter been out since like 2011.
For real?
Something like that. That's when I made my account. But I didn't use it till 2015.
I had a Twitter account.
So when did Twitter and Facebook all that first came out? Cause I never heard of it until like maybe 3 or 4 years ago.
2009, 2008, something I'm like that. It's been a while.
For real? I ain't know. That's crazy. Multi-millionaire. Billionaire.
So I think I had a Facebook in
How long
8th
was
grade.
what's that other one that was out before Facebook?
MySpace?
How long was MySpace out?
I didn't have one.
I did.
I know.
It was
I tried to
before.
get one. Dad told me no.
Oh,
He said I was too young.
It was before.
But my cousin that was younger than me had one. I don't understand.
He wasn't their father.
It was before.
I made one later on. After it died down.
About 2009, wasn't it?
I'm about all that. No. I'm still old school. I like to talk to people. Piss me off when I have to talk to a computer.
Well, if it's a chat, you ask them, is this a robot or is this a real person? If they answer right,
Which
then
one?
you're supposed to go.
Say that again?
If you're talking to a chat, ask them, is this a real person or is it a robot? And if they just go on answering or just asking questions and stuff, then you know it's a robot.
That's what they do now. Hey, hi, my name is Judy. How are you doing today?
Are you a robot? What are your
Okay.
symptoms? I'm like, what?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, man, if you don't go somewhere off my screen.
Like, yo, what's up? The first time I'm just studying talking to this person. I mean, we talking. Then something like I asked a question and they didn't answer. I'm like, what the hell?
Rick B, I ain't gonna step on you.
Never.
And then we had
You just did it.
2000.
I was watching this news thing
Yahoo Messenger.
on
Yahoo. Your Messenger.
on TV. You know, Chinese people, they way ahead. Like they got things where I don't know, and they do something in the computer and it scans a whole like a whole area, a big area, and it tells you who that person is, where they live, what they have for breakfast, what they get ready to do. I'm like, that's crazy as hell.
Hackers.
I'm like, man.
You want the last piece of chicken? Got some more beans.
There's more chicken in the refrigerator. I should have warmed it up.
It's good.
One more sweet.
I had it for lunch.
Thank you.
So that was Dante chicken?
Most likely. I didn't talk to him.
Because I was going to throw it away.
What was
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
it? We probably did. Because we didn't have no Kentucky Fried Chicken.
I got tired looking at that earlier.
When was that? Today? Oh, he brought that in yesterday then.
Probably last.
Or this morning.
Whenever he got in.
Because it wasn't in there yesterday.
It wasn't?
Did you throw it away?
I asked Courtney who it was. She said she didn't know, so I left it.
Said in 1 hour, it probably is.
I thought he would have had more than 30 million. You give him yours?
Yeah, I said waking up, giving them 67. Still about 20,000. When I woke up, I had 20,000. But he said they don't use it anymore.
Well, just hold on to him. You can still give it to him.
Come back. You got to buy the stuff now. I'm like, man, I don't know.
don't know what I got. Probably like 500.
He said they ain't making no money. I said, bro, believe me, they making millions. They breaking in.
Cause you have to pay to get on the Don't you have to pay to play every month?
I don't know. I said because they not just giving out all this money and they ain't making it.
What?
Nah.
No balls in your way.
You supposed to be in there anyway.
I'm like,
The balls gotta be washed. You can't mess with them. You're not gonna keep this on
I was.
because it's got little things.
I get some more. They don't get out.
Yeah.
But if Dante was to subscribe to somebody, and that same person subscribed to him, they're not losing no money.
Go.
Both of them, because they get it right back.
But they only getting half of that.
But it all adds up because they getting all them things.
But that would actually defeat the purpose.
I mean, if they streaming, they making money anyway. When they're partnered.
I just knew he was gonna get more than 30 today. So that guy must not have came in there and dumped some in there. You heard him.
I'm looking at you.
You looking at them bowls.
I'm looking at you.
What bowl?
Them bowls on the floor.
Why is that?
See? They in the way. They not bothering me. Did you use the bathroom today? Did you take them out and you use it when you went out? Because you don't go all the time.
It's one. I mean, it's afternoon, bro.
Ain't nothing up there for you.
Whatever. Food and stuff getting ready to go up because we about to have a gallon more.
You know the stocks and stuff went down. I need to check my 401k.
Yeah, because he put new tariffs on the Chinese, and now the Chinese saying that they're gonna start raising the prices for stuff that come over here. Like,
Well, we need to eat stuff that ain't from over
and
there.
most of our stuff come from China because we owe China billions of dollars. When we borrowed money, we borrowed it from China, and China said, "Okay, we'll lend you this money, but our product is coming to America." Truck companies, businesses, everybody getting scared.
You think it'll put y'all out of business?
You could. We in the commodities, so it could. But that's a big company. That's a billion company.
I've only seen that company one truck one time, and that was a couple of weeks ago.
But they don't deliver the local store. But what I know is I want to get them their stock.
Well, what you waiting on?
Their stock is $7 right now. But they about to do something because Bruno said in the meeting they getting ready to do something real big and they keeping it quiet. He's saying it's a company that's with them. That company branched off and got with another company. He's saying he thinking UNFI is going to get with Amazon. And if UNFI merge with Amazon, that's going to be something big. We can retire.
But y'all doing food products.
Yeah.
Amazon, they do good food.
Amazon,
Amazon Pantry?
You know who owns Whole Foods? Amazon.
But they got Amazon Pantry.
Yeah, they do. They do have food.
Amazon owns,
Oh, we need to get some bands.
what kind of thing?
Nausea bands.
For what? I don't get nothing. I'll be on that.
You'll tell.
Oh.
You need to quit.
Nah. Well, they.
But anyway,
So, but he just tearing this country up. And somebody said something yesterday that sounds really true. You gotta think about it. They said now Reagan. Everybody said Reagan was the worst president ever.
I don't think so.
They said Reagan was racist and everything. But Reagan got served 2 terms. Everybody thinks that Donald Trump's going to do another term.
Don't mention his name on this video.
They call that black guy Booker, the Democrat Booker, the black guy. They said he's smart, he's good looking. He said, but when he opened his mouth, he's dumber than a damn doorknob. Because they say it's between him and Biden.
His daughter said something on Twitter.
Who? Booker daughter? Biden daughter? Who?
The person you don't want to talk about. She said something about white supremacy or something. And everybody retweeted her tweet. They was like, but your dad. And then somebody retweeted that. They said, but your whole ancestry. I said, oh.
I mean, ain't no. If you don't know that he's prejudiced, then something wrong with you. Come on. I mean, you hiding that, you hiding behind a rock. That's crazy. And to each his own. I'd rather you come out and say, yo, you know what? Yeah, I don't like certain people, than to just try to act like, oh yeah, we cool, and then trying to stab me in the back. That there bothers me.
Well, I'm like this. If you stay there,
because you ain't gonna like everybody. I don't care who you are.
then we go. Babe, I'm trying to get the handle, not the top of the spoon. No, you didn't. You was handing me the top.
Oh, whatever you were saying. You're not arguing with him.
If he stay there, I mean, it's up to the people to get him out. That's it. Point blank.
Okay. But the difference is, we don't vote, and they coming out the woodwork.
Come on here.
No.
You gotta go to the bathroom? Come on.
You like his face itching something.
Come on.
No,
You gotta go outside or your face itching? Huh? Come on. You gotta go outside?
He itching.
No? Let me see. Let me wash this with my hands. Where your face itching at?
Can we finish the video first?
Yeah. Well, guys, I know we had a subject about here and there, a little this and that, but mainly focused on one person, which I didn't want to discuss him in the on our page. But I know that it's got to be some changes.
And all them people is starting to die. The ones that got shot, that's in critical condition.
No, he just itching.
Nah, he ain't itching. That dog crazy.
I told you that a long time ago.
That dog, something wrong with that dog.
I told you he airheaded.
No, seriously. He just running around digging stuff and...
He got a little screw in his
the
head.
hell, like he's looking for something.
He's scratching his face.
I just scratched it. But anyway, let's pray for them people. Even though it's a certain number that's dead, it's a lot that's critical wounded and they're dying. Or, so
just pray for the victims and their families. And let's pray for our country. And, please make sure that you are aware of your surroundings at all times. Just because it looks safe doesn't mean that it is safe. Because them people in Walmart, they thought they were safe. They out there shopping for their kids, back to school stuff. So please just
be aware of your surroundings.
Homeschool your kids.
If you see something out of place, don't be a hero. Call the police. Let them be the hero.
Bye.
Protect your kids and your family. And thank y'all for, subscribing to us and all that. Did we go up any more numbers?
We at 73.
Is it still at 73? Come on, folks. I want to get to 100.
That last one, you gonna shout out?
We already did.
We need to get to 100. We got a special surprise for that 100.
Well, guys, thanks for watching us. Make sure you
Give us a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, show to friend, family member, binge watch, follow us on Instagram, links in the description box below.
thanks for watching.
Peace. And if we're not showing anymore, our dog head spent and the devil came out of him because he's bugging. See y'all later.
That's why I was looking like that. What's wrong with him?
Yeah, I mean, he spinning and jumping and all. I'm like, what the hell?
Moving the rug.
He moved the whole chair.
Yeah, he was trying to get something up from that rug. He was playing with the straw earlier.
He was playing with this thing
How
too.
could you look at something and not pick it up?
Because he airheaded. I told you he's off in the head.
Guys, Courtney did my hair. She did an excellent job.
I put pictures over here. Before and
She's
after.
going to post pictures before and after. I like it. I got a lot of compliments on it. And some people say she need to start doing hair.
And I won't.
Tamara said she going to bring her daughter over here.
I'll do that. I ain't doing no braids.
She said she'll bring her and she have to stay the night. I
She
said,
won't.
well, she can't do it this week because she got to work.
Hold on. Spend the night. Where she going to stay at?
That's what I'm saying.
She ain't sleeping in my room. I ain't cleaning up.
So yeah.
It's enough space for me and me only. And it won't take that long for her because her head is smaller.
Yeah, her hair's smaller, but she got a lot of hair.
Don't mean that. Just part it the same way. She got triangle parts. You'll see it in the pictures.
She did a good job.
It's a like, I don't know. We should have did the parts the night before, but you wanted to go to sleep.
We charge it $99.99
$99.
plus tax.
Ooh, we charge $150.
$150.99 plus tax.
And then you bring your own hair. You charge it $150.
$150.99
No, if you bring
plus
your own
tax.
hair, if you bring your own hair, I charge $125.
Oh no, $125.99 plus tax.
Stop it.
I didn't get paid for this. This is a trial and error. So, look, they're passion twists.
They too heavy though.
They're not. I bet you they ain't near as heavy as what I got.
They heavy, but I like it.
And I bring and it's a 10% upcharge. So if it's $125.99, what's 10% of that?
What's this? Why you upcharging? Because they doing
I gotta
it.
get my cut.
What cut you getting?
What? Girl, please.
I'm gonna twist her down her back.
Yeah, they down my back. They're long ones. They
That you
just
saw
pinned
in the
up right now. You'll see it in the picture.
Alright, what we getting ready to do?
Finish these bowls.
Alright, let's go.